What's up mga ka-trends? Here's today's update of the NY couple. Today, on Rosa's activity, Rosa's peer band was on her work today and got advertisement on her endorsement from Promise. On Instagram post, Rosa's peer band, her looks so beautiful on her outfit. Finally, after the rumors, Rosaya is now in public and back for her work and got taping for Cherry Amore. Today, on a Dex activity, Nadekogimiya was spotted in the parking lot before he goes to his friends and got a chill day. While Nadek is on his way, his big billboard from Nescafe was finally in the road. It was long and big together with his co-workmates. It was nice to see the handsome face is now in everywhere and guessing many fans will be in the good mood every morning when they see Nadek's billboard when they've got home and go to work.